This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobbi Wood. Come fall in love with sought-after Cromwell Park at Salem. Absolutely beautiful. This stunning condominium has 9 ceilings with a bright open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. Home features 2 master suites, one on the first floor. Kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and granite. New HVAC, hot water heater, flooring and paint. Large walk-in attic for storage and an attached garage. Come enjoy single-family living without any of the hard work. This immaculate gated community features beautiful walking trails, lakes with fountains, and a pool with clubhouse. Centrally located near medical facility, shopping, bases and more. Condo fees cover so much. Call for an appointment or ask your agent for details. 13-month home warranty for buyer. #virtual open house http://www.facebook.com/